Welcome to your October 2021 release highlights. Today we'll be covering updates to generally available features, GA enhancements, and early access features. Let's begin with generally available features. Sign-in Widget version 5.12.0 adds 8 new IDP types, appends login hint to the URL to Okta Verify, adds UIs for when the app link approach fails, and adds hooks feature, hooks config option, and new methods before and after. In the latest version of Okta Active Directory agent, there's now government community cloud support, improved logging functionality to assist with issue resolution, and general bug fixes. In Okta LDAP agent, the latest version of this agent now contains government community cloud support. The latest version of Okta SSO IWA web app agent includes government community cloud support as well as internal fixes. Okta AD Password Sync agent now includes government community cloud support, security enhancements, as well as internal fixes. For orgs that enable the latest version of Okta Browser Plugin through self-service EA, end users will now be able to generate passwords from the Okta Browser Plugin pop-up window. For orgs that enable this feature through self-service EA, you'll also be able to recommend strong passwords during SWA app signup. Additionally, the Okta Browser plugin now recommends strong passwords during SWA app signup. Finally, plugin extension architecture for Safari has been updated to web extension. You can now use the SAML 2.0 assertion flow to request an access token when you want to use an existing trust relationship without a direct user approval step at the authorization server. The flow enables a client app to reuse an authorization by supplying a valid, signed SAML assertion to the authorization server in exchange for an access token. This flow is often used in migration scenarios from legacy identity providers that do not support OAuth. Users who access the new Okta End User Dashboard from mobile or desktop can now show and copy passwords for their apps to their clipboard. They can also use a new password management modal to edit the username or password fields for their apps. The option to incrementally import user data is now available for the Okta Provisioning agent. Incremental imports reduce the time required for synchronization by only downloading user information that has changed since the last successful import. The Schemas API now includes unique attributes for custom properties in Okta user profiles and the Okta group profile. You can declare a maximum of 5 unique properties for each user type and 5 unique properties in the Okta group profile. This feature helps prevent the duplication of data and ensures data integrity. Okta ThreatInsight now has enhanced attack detection capability. Org under attack establishes a baseline traffic pattern and adjusts based on legitimate changes in traffic patterns. When a threat is detected, the algorithms are optimized to block all malicious requests while creating a system log event to alert on the attack. After the attack subsides, ThreatInsight returns to its normal mode of operation. This capability enables quick blocking action during an attack. Moving on to GA enhancements. With branding enabled, admins can now hide the Powered by Okta message in the footer of their Okta-hosted sign-in page and end-user dashboard. Performance enhancements on the routing rules page include optimized adding, editing, dragging, and deactivating of rules and improved loading when the number of rules exceeds 1,000. Client-based rate limits are now in log per client mode for all orgs for both OAuth 2.0, authorize and, login, login.htm endpoints. This offers additional isolation to prevent frequent rate limit violations. Finally, let's discuss our early access features. When importing users from an app to Okta, you can now schedule imports to occur at an hourly, daily, or weekly interval. Scheduling imports at a time that is convenient for your org reduces the likelihood of service disruption and eliminates the need to start imports manually. If an application allows incremental imports, you can create both full and incremental import schedules. For additional resources on this release, be sure to use the URL below. And that's your October 2021 release highlights.